Welcome back to our community video series. You may have a question that others in the community can help you answer. One quick way to gather that data is to post a poll in a group. To send a poll, go to the social feed and choose Poll. Write your question in the subject line and add additional messaging below where it says, "What's this poll about?" Write in your options. And choose whether you want to give your respondents the ability to choose multiple options or only a single option. Then click Post. At this time, the poll is limited to just one question, but in future updates, multi-question polls will be added. And that's a wrap. Don't miss our final tip regarding our code of conduct.